Last block of the D row is D13, and this is a nice easy block that is a nice respite from some of the difficulty we've had, especially from the one prior with the teeny tiny points up here. So this is a very standard square and a square block. Take our pieces, and I'm going to baste opposite sides of the squares first, then the others. And for the triangles, I'm going to do the legs first, then the hypotenuse of all of them, so that all of the tags go out into the sashing. So let's get basting. So I've got all of my pieces basted. Next thing to do is to attach them to the center square, and I'm going to do opposite corners first, because then that'll help center these other two. So let me get these first two corners on. So I've got the first corners attached, and there we go on the front. Oh, I haven't finished taking off the tape, but the next thing to do would be to attach the other two corners. So I've connected the other two corners, and now my D13 block has been completed.